BTech Buddies platform. So here in this video we are going to discuss a pyramid pattern program using stars. Okay, so here we are going to build instructions in Python programming. See here, before going to explain about the program, let me give you the clear idea regarding the input and output format. So it is very easy to write the instructions after knowing the input and output format. See here, today our topic for discussion is Python program for printing pyramid pattern using stars. So let me explain you the input and output format. Here it is the case 1 and then here it is the case 2. So in case 1, so here in this program we are going to get the input from the user by the keyboard, height of the pyramid. So based on the height of the pyramid we are going to write the instructions and frame the instructions in Python programming and get the output like this for the input case 1 7. Okay, so we are going to get the 7 rows 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In 7 rows we need to get the stars. Each row the star must be incremented. In the first row only 1 star, in the second row 2 stars, coming into the third row 3 stars, and so on like that. In the last row we need to get the 7 stars. Okay, this is how we are going to write the program in Python. See here case 2, so that you will be getting clear idea, and then after we can start writing the program. In case 2, user gives the input 10. So based on the input we need to get the output like this. Okay, so the first row must be filled with 1 star and the last row must be filled with 10 stars. Like in this way we need to get on the output screen. So based on the input and output format we need to write the instructions to get the and achieve the client requirement. So here the client requirement is to get like this. Okay, this pattern must be seen on the output screen based on the input. So let us write the program using the Python. See here, here is the program. I will explain you line by line so that you will be getting clear idea. After that you can write the program in your own way. You can try it by yourself in your system. See here, so every program maybe we can't say every program contains the input. So there may be 0 or more inputs for every program. So here in this program we have one input. So that is nothing but taking the height from the user by the keyboard. As I have been explaining about the input function, which is predefined function to take the input from the user by the keyboard. See here, enter height of a pyramid will be displayed on the output screen. So we need to enter the height of the pyramid, then it will be stored in height variable. So here every input will be considered as the string in Python. So to work with different data types we are going to use the different keywords to convert the given string value into different type. Here I am gonna work with the integral data type in this program. So I am converting the given string value into integral type using the int keyword. So this is about the input from the user. So let me keep in comment lines so that you will be getting clear idea. So user input. Okay, I have showed user input in height variable. Okay, now we have done with the input format. Okay, so let us write the instructions for the pattern. See here, here I am taking the two loops, one loop for the rows and another loop for the columns. Okay, like here in the first row we need to print the only one star, and in the second row we need to print the two stars. Okay, to execute the rows wise, so we are going to work with one loop, and to execute the column wise means here in the third column one. So we need to print the three stars. So for that purpose here we are going to use the nested concept, loop inside the loop, one loop for the rows and another loop for the columns. Okay, so let us see here, the main loop will be executed till the range height plus 1. So why I have taken the height plus 1 means here always index starts from the 0. To consider the last value also, here I am using the height plus 1. So for j in range of I, so this will be executed until the range of I. So for example, if I value is 0, this will be executed till the 0. If I value is 1, this will be executed till 1. So like that you will be getting in the output screen. So till this range exceeds, we are going to print the star on the single line. So end parameter indicates that we are going to print the output in the single line. And whenever this for loop will be exceeded, so print statement will be executed. That means the next output will be printed on the next line. So let me execute the program so that you will be getting clear idea. So let us give here 4 as the input from the user. In this case we are going to get the 4 rows. Sorry, wait a minute. In this case we are going to get the 4 rows. In each row the star value will be incremented. In the first row only 1 star, and in the second row 2 stars, and in the third row 3 stars, and in the fourth row 4 stars. Okay, like here we are going to execute. So So main loop will be used for the rows and inside loop will be used for the columns. Okay, so for every row based on the row value we are going to print the stars using the inside loop for j in range of 5. So let us remove this plus 1 so that you analyze the output. So here in this case 4 stars we have got on the output screen. Let me remove the height and execute with the same input. Let me give you the 4 as the input. Yeah, see here only 3 stars will be printed on the output screen because so always range starts from zeroth value. So last value will be excluded. To consider the last value we are going to use the plus 1. So let us keep here to consider last value we are going to use the plus 1 technique here. This is how we are going to work with the Python programming. Let me give you one more input and analyze the output. So let us give 15 as the input from the user. See here when the input is 15 the output should be like this. Okay, so enter height of pyramid 15. So the output should be like this guys. So based on the input we are going to get the output on the output screen. So this is how we are going to work with the pattern programming. Pattern programming are very important at the time of MNC drive examinations guys. So you must know the how to write the pattern programs in your own way before you attempt the exam. So if you follow our channel BTech Buddies, our team is going to post the videos regarding all type of programming, entertainment and so different type of quiz competitions we are going to organize in our channel. So please like, share and subscribe our channel so that you will be getting the notifications when we post the videos in our channel so that you can enjoy the info in our channel. So thank you guys, thank you so much.